Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anne Rofentes and today is going to be another review of a new product na nakikita ko. So, this product guys is made in Korea at isa itong skincare. So if you want to know more about this product guys, keep on watching. So the product I am going to share to you or talk to you with guys is this is a skincare products made in Korea. So I got the sachet version of this because yun naman talaga ako guys mag-review ng product. Gusto ko yung sa sachet mo na hindi yung pangmalakihan na tube or naka full size talaga yung binibili ko kasi nga hindi pa man natin try out. So, this is just the try out process pa lang sa paggamit natin sa produkto. Kaya, kung gusto mong i-try yung products na yun, is bibili muna ng yung maliit na or trial pack muna yung bibili natin para hindi na masayang pag hindi naman hiyang yung product sa atin, guys. So, the product I am talking right now is this one, guys. The Dasong Oil Control Cream Instantly Feel Oil-Free Powder Finish 2-in-1. Tsaka may nakalagay dito is FDA approved tsaka made in Korea. So ayan siya guys. Tsaka sa likod andito yung ingredients niya tsaka how to use. So how to use: apply evenly on oily parts of the skin. Instantly removes excess oil that may cause acne. Number 2, oil-free filling with powder finish. So, yes, it is manufactured by Happy Bio Co. Ltd. Imported Seongju-si, Korea. Imported and distributed by Sikyong Trading Co. Ltd. Philippine branch. So, this sachet is contains 4 grams only guys. So, for trial muna. Kaya, bumili ako sa sachet version nito guys. So, what I'm going to do right now is lalagay ko siya sa face ko. So, perfect to sa mga guys, very oily na skin type dyan. Try nyo to guys, baka kayo nito, yung Dasong. So, by the way guys, nabibili ko pala tong Dasong Oil Control Cream from guys, Mercury. So, mabili ko siya for only 20 pesos. Kaya affordable lang. Kaya, yes, let's start putting it in our face. Titignan natin yung consistency niya, guys. So, ayan siya, guys. White siya, pero hindi siya gaanong sticky or hindi siya gaanong watery yung niya guys. Ayan, cream siya. So, I will put the product here kung may pa siya guys. Magbigay na coverage. Ang bango niya guys. Mabango siya, para siyang lotion, baby lotion. Para siyang baby lotion, tsaka milky yung amoy niya. Parang may milk siya. So, pag hawakan mo siya, mo siya guys, madali lang siyang i-blend. Parang, pag igaganon, irarab mo siya sa face mo is, parang, mag-water siya tapos, bila na lang siyang, parang hindi mo na siya mag-feel yung lagkit niya. Hindi siya tacky. Kasi, di ba, pag cream, ilagay natin, pag natin is tacky. Ito is parang wala kang maramdaman sa face mo. OMG! I like this. Ayan. So, mabilisan talaga yung pag-blend sa product nito, guys. Kasi, siya, sobrang niya, bilis niyang So, wala siyang coverage. As you can see, though mag-brighten up ng konti yung mukha mo. So, yan. Wala siyang coverage guys na ibigay. So, let's put here. powder finish siya kasi pag ma-blend mo na siya sa mukha mo is parang wala ka lang nilagay sa mo guys, mukha. Parang wala kang feel na kung ano-ano na may mga tackiness, may mga lagkit feeling. Wala talaga. So, instantly feel talaga yung niya guys. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Wala talaga guys. Hindi mo talaga mafe-feel kung meron ka bang nilagay sa niya, sa mukha mo. So, wala talaga as in. So, yan lang. Brighten up lang yung face natin. Ayan. So, may ko dito guys, pimple. Ayan. Tsaka, I like the amoy niya. I like yung amoy niya kasi parang pang baby na amoy talaga siya. Tsaka may milky sense sa kanya. Maganda siya guys. Tsaka hindi mo talaga mafe-feel yung talaga siyang talaga siya guys. Powder finish talaga siya guys. So time is 3:17 PM and then hindi ko siya papatungan ng kung ano-ano guys. Ito lang talaga yung ilalagay ko sa kanya kasi hindi naman nilagay dito kung perfect siyang pang makeup base. So, ano lang guys, yan na lang muna yung ilalagay ko para ma-review talaga natin siya, makikita talaga natin yung effect niya. Hindi ko siya papatukan ng kung ano-ano. Parang may powder talaga sa mukha. Or, yes, powder talaga. Parang siyang liquid or cream na it turns out from liquid, from cream to powder. Parang nagta-transform siya, guys. Sera din tong product ito ha. I like it. Kasi So, what we are going to do now, guys, is to see the products kung oil-free pa talaga siya after a few hours, guys, na andito siya sa mukha natin. So, let's see, guys. I will end this review and babalik ako mamaya para i-share sa inyo kung ano nangyari sa face natin. So, bye for now guys. Product in my face guys is napapansin ko na pag hawakan mo yung face mo, siya, soft talaga siya. Tsaka parang talagang very soft, tsaka very ang sarap hawak-hawakan yung face mo. At saka para ding may powder kang nilagay, though wala naman talaga, kaya powder finish talaga siya guys. Guys, I'm back for the update and ito yung final update ko guys to the Damsum Oil Control Oil Control Cream. So it's already 8:02 PM guys. Yung face ko. Ayan. So, hindi pa ako nabablat kanina. So, this is my last and final thoughts of the Damsum Oil Control. So, kung hahawakan ko guys, wala naman siyang gaanong oil na makukuha mula sa face ko. So, I will use this tissue to blot the face, guys. So, wala naman siyang gaano makukuha na guys, na oil. Hindi pa na-oil yung face natin after 3, 4, 5, 6 after 5 hours is wala pa rin oil na nakukuha sa mukha natin guys. Kaya thumbs up siya. Very nice yung product na to. Very promising yung claim niya guys. So, sa mga oily skin dyan, you
can use Dasong oil control para pigilan yung oiliness sa mukha niyo guys. So I am highly recommend this to ladies dyan na has a very oily skin type guys. So yes, so hindi ko na papalagpasin and I will rate this product a thumbs up. Tagalin guys kasi medyo gabi na. So thank you for watching sa mga nanonood, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe down below the button, the subscription button, and please like and comment your thoughts guys. So yeah, see you in my next video guys.